Something's come up at work, honey. Daddy's not gonna be home for a while.
I don't understand.
You can't go back to the house, Penny. Okay?
What's happening?
It's all right. You won't be alone. You have Bolt. I've altered him.
He can protect you now.
Which, of course, is wonderful news. Everything is positioning nicely.
There he is, Dr. Calico.
Any luck getting our guest to spill his guts?
Oh, his guts will spill. One way or another.
Never. I'll never talk.
Daddy!
You're beginning to irk me, Professor. I am irked, and that will not do. Has the package arrived? I think it might make our dear friend a bit more communicative.
I'm sending an agent to pick it up.
Gorgeous. Have him bring it to me on the first flight.